It's a revolutionary war, and I'm back for more. Should we even the score? Do what's right. I'ma stand up for my people with all my might. What can I say? I respect righteous women like Faye, but the Semiramis whore I make pay. The whore was the church that went astray. And I'ma tell you like this. I'ma tell you surrounded by my people with a fist. I'ma put it down for Trayvon and Kendrick. I'ma put it down for the meek to the Crips. To those without sin, to those who need to be found and found again. Yeah, I'ma help them. It's a revolutionary war. And I might die by the sword, 'cause I live by it. But I'm still going to God. Martyr or not, I'm going hard. I could never be a fraud or a fake. My freestyles are off the top of my dome from my heart without the hate. Without being choked by a snake and anaconda, I go harder. My revolutionary warfare smart like my father or yours. 'Cause I recognize God and other black people, of course. And the spirit filled me too. That's why God made everybody equal. Just ask Heru. Bury me by Eid Fu. Bury me in Nigeria or Kemet. And if you were racist, watch your step. Yo bitch ass comments. They ain't slowing nothing. You're fronting. I'll be there, snipe, snipe, snipe. Or straight up gunning with small firearms that bring much harm. It's like Foxglove extract, I get at that motherfucking ass. Throwing acid on your motherfucking face. Young Mecca, my people are gonna be straight. Or I'ma bring Seti his fate. I'ma trample thee with the divine motherfucking stomp. Left foot forward, of course. I'ma do this shit in the stance of a horse. I'ma do this shit like iron shirt built like a fort. Iron body, of course. And I'ma repeat and regurgitate, if it makes sense, to feel it right. Feel it tonight. Ziploc with the green, not the white. 'Cause it's a spiritual flow. I'm African American yet Igbo. And I love my people so much, I'm ready to go to zero with my video series and playlist when I spark this motherfucking joint. Mecca gonna be on point. Mecca gonna deliver. I'ma pull the arrow out the quiver. It's revolutionary warfare, my ninja. Without the suit. I'm on my motherfucking video without my troops. And I still do what I do. Yeah. Bonus part 2.